When you change the culture of an institution and you go digital, you really change dramatically all the areas of the club. Microsoft has been key and is being key for us in this journey. We have benefited a lot of their experience in this kind of transformation and also their innovation capabilities. Digital is creating the ability for us to take the club to every single fan in the world, and that's a revolution.
We are trying to get as much data as possible of our fans. So we are making it possible in all our touch points to address personalized offers to them. The digital team nowadays is more than 30 people. It's been recently created. It's been only 12 months where we only had like 5 people for this purpose.
One of the main changes that we thought that we needed to do when we faced this digital transformation was to change a little bit the component. In the case of Real Madrid, having a fan base that is so broad and is so international, less than 3% of the people that are following Real Madrid are in Spain, and the biggest market that we have, it doesn't even go beyond 11%. This knowledge about the fan is being crucial for knowing exactly what the fans are demanding. And I can tell you that a fan in Madrid is demanding completely different things from what a fan in Indonesia is demanding. Data is coming from many different sources. The number of sources that we have in place was about 5 different sources, and now it goes beyond 70 different sources. We have millions of fans where we have their profiles, and this in the past couple of years has increased about 400%. The web and the app are the channels that are fully owned by Real Madrid. So these 2 channels for us is our little kids and our big kids, because we have reached some of the biggest numbers when compared to others. We are the #1 club website with the biggest unique users traffic during a month, and also we have the biggest application when compared to other clubs.
Once you reach your audience in the digital environment and you really experience a growth in every single business of the club. We won't be wrong if we say that the payback is helping in increasing certain relationships in a 30% or in a 40%, thanks to our abilities on digital. There are some relationships that are really multiplying by 2 or 3 times, thanks to our abilities on digital.
The traditional business, I can tell you that it usually grows between 5–10% year over year, and the digital business usually grows a little bit faster, on double digits. Only with the very first agreement that we signed when we launched the app was paying exactly for a good portion, if not all, of the project that we've been developing.
As a manager, I definitely recommend to invest in technology. Investing in technology is a must. Their business will grow this way. And the growths in digital are much bigger than in traditional business today. You cannot really reach certain types and levels of growth without a digital transformation. It's impossible. So be ready, be patient, and be ready for the change.